We are Exmark. We build the mowers purchased 2-to-1 by the most respected commercial cutters on the planet today. But our story begins here, on the plains of Nebraska, where the pioneers who traveled here 160 years ago came with nothing but the guts and determination to carve out a community on the banks of the Big Blue River, Beatrice, Nebraska, and the kind of leadership that still drives us today. We know that if we're standing still, we're only moving backwards. So we're compelled to work our hardest, to innovate, to get better every single day, and with a responsibility to grow with integrity. A responsibility to the people who are more than names and faces, but the families behind the Exmark brand, who depend on our products to feed their families, to help propel our nation's economy, and to protect and beautify the land. Like our forefathers, at Exmark, we still know how to get our hands dirty, out where our mowers must work as hard as the people who use them. You see, listening is a habit we learned 3 decades ago and never forgot how to do. It's why our mowers incorporate the most innovative breakthroughs, learned only when you're face to face with people who spend their days on an Exmark mower. Listening is why only on an Exmark is there both the operator comfort and hands-on technology you normally expect to find in the seat of a luxury automobile. It's why maintenance is simple, and how we were able to eliminate many of the parts that result in most problems on other mowers. Today, if you could ask one of those original homesteaders if it was worth it, he'd most likely look you in the eye and say, yeah, it was worth it. And no doubt if you asked the man or woman who bought their first Exmark mower that same question, they'd scan their beautiful lawn, think about the time saved for the things they most enjoy in life, and then look you in the eye and say, yeah, it was worth it. Engineered by us, trusted by them, ready to work for you. We are Exmark.